didn't hit the ground. So based on the condition of this hose right here, which was pretty brittle, we bought a new one. And so we're gonna be slicing right here and using this new connector. They didn't have one of these in stock, so hopefully this one's not completely broken. I have to make another cut right here and steal that connector. And then we're gonna be adding our own pipe that goes somewhere else. I'm not actually sure where it goes at this moment. If you're not careful, you can kink or break that. So we'll just wanna be careful when we're pulling the injectors out. The new injectors they give you fit differently into the manifold. So to compensate for that, they give you longer bolts and a spacer, so that this fuel rail can sit higher. So we're gonna leave this pulley off. The new water pump's in there. That was really easy to replace actually. I'm gonna be taking off the intake now. Here, that should give us access to the vacuum line behind it. So we got it out. But basically what I had to do was I had to get this guy out, which is your throttle control valve, disconnect everything so that you could just slip your hand back behind there. We'll be putting on this one, and this hose goes to it, and then we've got a hose clamp that goes there. And then instead of it going from directly underneath here and swooping up, it'll go from directly underneath here and it'll come out to here. Okay, so I've cut this hose right here so that it'll be able to clear the plate that's gonna sit right up against here. So this is the old one that we pulled out of the car. I pulled it out just in case it was different than the new one they sent me. It's the exact same, but we're gonna be replacing it with a new one anyways. They gave us a bolt for the bottom one. We'll be reusing this bolt for the top. And this will be mounted into, won't be mounted into this plate. It'll be sitting right here on the car when it gets installed. Like that. The two bolts for the alternator, here and here, they gave us new bolts, so we're gonna go grab those and then put this plate into the car. Yes. So the longer bolt goes in the bottom, and then the shorter bolt goes in the top, so they're the same length to the car. This will be mounted before the idler pulleys. In fact, the Supercharger is gonna have to be mounted before these pulleys go in as well. This pulley will go here to this hole, and this pulley will go here to the bottom hole. You want to make sure that that lip is facing the pulley when it goes on.